My association with Anil was a very close friendship and a very long time together friendship. It was not between us, but it was between two families. As a students, both of us were studying in Merit College, doing our BSc, preparing for the pre-medical examination, and both of us were very quiet type. We spoke very little, but got on together very well. He used to cycle down to my house in Budhana Gate, and then we together would go to Meerut College. During this period, a lot of things happened at their place. I remember Meeraji's marriage, when my sister Indra sang their Jaimal song, and we attending all the fun fair of the marriage. Later on, the Eve cinema came up, and the new house, which is present house, also came up, and we used to see things growing, coming up, and a lot of fun happening in attending inauguration of the cinema hall and parties. And see, this was the period which we had a very close relationship, and we then got separated when Anil joined KGMC Medical College in Lucknow, and I joined All India Institute. And during this period, we were not able to meet often, and then came the period when both of us came back and after becoming doctors. Anil came back and joined and started his practice. And by the time I came back, he had already become a famous physician in Meerut. He was the person who really started a trend called real family physician. Well, he was a great example of it, because he was able to mix with the patients who came in, and for him, कोई चाचा जी, ताऊ जी, बुआ जी, भाई साहब, he would talk to them with these affirmations, and half of the disease of those people would just become mild by his talking to them. So he was treating the elite of families of Meerut. He was also treating all strata of people, and during this period, he really earned well, but more than that, he earned blessings. उसने दुआएं कमाई, और वो दुआएं जो कि अब तक उस फैमिली को तरह तरह से ब्लॉसम कर रही हैं. पेशेंट, उसके पास पैसे हैं, नहीं हैं, whatever may be the condition, he will never say no to any patient. और उसके बाद में दवा के पैसे नहीं है तो दवा भी ऐसे ही ले जाओ। तो इस तरह से he was very popular physician of the town। जिसको भी पूछो किसका इलाज है, अजी डॉक्टर अनिल का इलाज है। So this was something, his compassion towards patient. He was only giving to the patient without expecting anything from the patient. During this period, if any one of us or anybody known to him, if they approached him for any other work other than professional work, he was always ready to help। क्या काम है, चलो अभी चलते हैं, उससे मिलना है, चलो अभी चलते हैं। तो इस तरह का बर्ताव, इस तरह से हर एक के लिए हेल्पिंग हैंड made him a very successful person of the town। Later on, during this period, when we used to visit them at home, it was very often, we will find out, we will see everything happening happily in the house। जब भी आप जाएंगे तो वहाँ, हाँ भाई आ जाओ, चाय कॉफ़ी चल रही है, चाय चल रही है, पकौड़ी बन रही हैं। मीन्स एवरीबडी वॉज वेलकम एनी टाइम इन टू देयर हाउस। और आपस में जो इन लोगों का प्रेम था वो तो एक एग्ज़ाम्पल था। हम तो विच इम्प्रेस्ड अस मोस्ट कि रश्मि और अनिल एक थाली में खा रहे हैं, अजीत और उसकी वाइफ एक थाली में खा रहे हैं। ऐसा हमने पहले कभी नहीं देखा था। इस बीच मतलब आफ्टर he became the physician, he got his marriage, we remember। Rashmi happened to be my sister's class fellow, so we knew her। फिर अजीत की शादी और उसके बाद में फिर बिट्टू की शादी। All these marriages, functions, parties, where we were part of it, we were there for everything। Then Anil will call up कि भाई आज फिल्म वाले लोग आ रहे हैं, एक्टर्स, जीजा जी क्या इतनी शाम को आ जाओ। तो इस तरह से we were so thick with the happenings of this family कि we became part of it। It was unfortunate that he left us so soon in his at that time, and well, that was a bit setback। It created a lot of vacuum, and it is the time when Rashmi took over boldly and started holding on to all the activities in the house, and all his attention was on Akhil। And Akhil, you see how he passed one exam, then law, and then company secretary, and then so he went on performing and growing into a great lawyer। And we were so happy to note that he was one of the top 100 lawyers of this world, that his name came into that book। Well, all this was happening, and then one day when we went to their house in Gurgaon, we could see a big smiling photograph of Anil on the wall in the living room. Well, I could imagine that Anil is still there, watching and cherishing the the family of Akhil, and all of them doing well and carrying on the flag of that family which once Anil was carrying. And I was so happy to see everybody performing well, living in great harmony, and of course the growth which Akhil had shown made that whole family very proud, and even us very proud. And I keep talking to him and Rashmi often on phone, and I still feel myself as a part of their family. So all my good wishes to Akhil, Rashmi, his wife, and these two young grandsons who are growing into, who are growing now to become lawyer, and one wanting to go to Bombay for his part in film career. So, well, thinking about whole thing, it makes me feel very nostalgic, and I feel that probably Anil was the only person whom I had a very long, close relationship, and even now we are continuing it with that family. Thank you. अब इसमें से इसे करेक्शन वगैरह कर लेते हैं जो भी